and all my lovely students. Today, we are here for describing well-known chapters of clothes. But today we describe something exceptional. It's mean the changes of clothes, the changes of dressing sense. Now, all we know that the wearing of clothes is one of the characteristic of civil human society. Clothes represent the society, clothes represent the culture of each nation. Each state, each nation has different types of clothes. Their wearing sense are different. And now, this is the well-known matter is each environment, each climate, each weather refer different types of clothes. Like the people of Rajasthan wear soft clothes because of their temperature, and the people of Jammu Kashmir or other part, coldest part, they wear woolen clothes. But now here is a exceptional topic, exceptional things that the changes of clothes. You can see the students of St. Xavier's Public School, they represent the changes of clothes all over the world. Take a look of them. Wow, here they wear Bengali suits. Now Punjabi, and well-known face Palak and Nandlal, they wear England suits. Okay, let's start. Let's describe the matter, the topic. Okay, so please come here. Sonu is our cameraman. He is a nice boy, nice guy, student. Here, look at her clothes. She is Ananya from class 10. Today she wear the clothes of. Today she wear the dresses of European dresses. After French Revolution, after 1789, the women of Europe wear this kind of dress. Please see. Now, Sonu, please come here. Come to the Palak and Nandlal. Look at their dresses. They represent the Victorian age. It's mean 1837 to 1901. In this period, the people, the men of England wear coat, boot and hat, black hat. And the women or girls, whatever, they wear frock, gloves, hat, and they use umbrella. It's not mandatory that all the girls, all the women of England use umbrella, but after the Victorian age or during the Victorian age, they almost use this kind of dresses. Now, go to that side. Now we are going to describe our country. Come back to our country, India. Okay. Now come to our country. Okay, India. If we discuss about Indian dress, we first take a look over Jorasanko Tagore family's dress. Stand up. This style of sari known as Brahmika style sari. Okay, and all the women during this period, all the women, it's been 19th century. All the women are very much familiar with sari, and men wear kurta pajama. Take a look. It's originated from Jorasanko Tagore family. It's mean the women of Jorasankos, the women of Rabindranath Tagore's family mostly wear this kind of sari, and men wear kurta pajama. In 1855, there has a huge changes of dressing sense of educated youth in India. they use Muhammadan Musalmani dresses instead of kurta pajama or dhoti or like that. And all we know that the Muslim women wear this kind of suits. Okay. All we know that India has 29 states, but it is not possible to describe give demonstration of all their suits. Here I prepare something for only 3 states. Prepare the suits only 3 states. Come, Sonu. Okay, she is Komal. She is a student of class 9. She represents the Gujarati women's dress. Gujarati women mainly use chaniya choli or ghagra or angrakshak, whatever. And Khushi of class 9, she represents the state of Punjab. The Punjabi women or Punjabi girls wear salwar kameez or they look like that. The Bengali gradually started wearing boots, coat, hat, tie. It's mean they shifted from traditional wear to western wear. Nowadays we are very much familiar, we are very much comfort with these types of dresses. Ashwin and Manisha represent the present day's dress code or costumes. Importance of the trace of history of the changes of dresses of our history. Why do we learn? Why do we prepare these things? What is the importance? The main importance is it's help us to know the social, religious, cultural, economics and geographical changes of our world. So we should study, we should learn the history of clothes and dress. It is very much important for us. So let us introduce the participants of St. Xavier's, the students of St. Xavier's who help me in this topic. So
I am Sanskar Sharma from class 10. We represent the Muslim costume.
I am Asha Sharma, class 9. We represent the Muslim costume.
I am Divya Banal from class 9.
I am Akhil Jha from class 8.
We represent the Bengali culture dresses.
Palak Pandey and Nandlal Jha, and we are representing Western dress of Victorian age.
Rishi Gupta of class 9. I am representing the Punjabi dress of our India.
I am Komal Shah from class 9. We represent the Gujarati dresses.
I hope all of you like this video. If you have any better idea, then please share with us. Come to the comment box and comment. Please give a comment. How was our labor? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. To know more about us, click www.stxavierspublicschool.com. If you like our video, then share and subscribe, please. Tata all my friend. I see you again in next video.